Welcome to Mobile Fanatics, and I'm your host Limbo Mogale. New Peter Mugaba Stadium is where I'm at for the Nedbank Cup final between Durban City versus CS Galaxy. A game that we just concluded to the scoreline of 2-1 in favor of Durban City, ensuring that they are crowned today 2026 Nedbank Cup winners. And I'm joined by Orlando Pirates Fanatics. Greetings, Dunayam. New Peter Mugaba Stadium, Durban City, they walk away now in Nedbank Cup. Okay, we want to do Kumanam.
Ukhuluma Roads. Durban City e begin to get one or cup.
Yeah.
Just because of Nedala Shapo.
Sure.
And so Chess Galaxy ne defender.
Yeah.
Ne defender. Then so he defender one note and one note are also no defend. And one note on ke before time. My one. After time, Bakwara two Bakwara two Balaba Durban City. My one. Then so Hatlaga Durban City Chess Galaxy. Lalle na ba fetu le rena Pirates re jelwe la ga njotsa re lwela go ba number 1 mara re tsebe re ta itse go ba jwang
Yeah.
wa bona
Yeah, sure.
sharp my brother.